Having the remote controller in one hand and resting the body on the couch, we all tend to watch our favorite shows or movies on a weekend. In this HD century, our appetite for the quality of audio and video has evolved so far. Nowadays, we can't enjoy our favorite shows in 480p quality, can we? It is common to have at least a home theater set up in a house because a TV alone can't give us entertainment these days. The answer is in the question already. A home theater system can define as the setup of audio and video devices which brings the theater-like media experience at home. It is all about your taste, though you can install a small home theater with 32 inches TV and 5.1 audio output or an HD projector with central advanced woofer audio system. Generally, a home theater system is made of three main parts. Video output, TV, projector or screens for brilliant picture quality. Audio output, speakers for the realistic sound experience. Media source, set-up box, computers, media servers etc., which is the linkage for all the connected devices. Cost for home theater. Actually, classifying the home theaters is tough work, because there are a bunch of things to consider for the classification. Two main types of home theater systems are as follows. Custom home theater systems cost anywhere from $1,500 to $35,000. Assembled home theater systems cost about $1,000 to $25,000. Custom system can be personalized as wanted output. Costs vary according to the selection of devices. A system would give you goosebumps if it contains 4K, UHD, Ultra HD screen and multi-woofer sound with amplifier configuration, but it would cost you higher than basic home theater systems, like about $15,000. Assembled, ready-made, home theater systems will require less time for selection and installation. Assembled systems are easy to choose with lower cost. If you want a good combination of media devices for your home theater without ruining your budget, then you should go for assembled systems. As per my personal experience, I can say that you will get fewer options to choose compared to customized systems, but you can get your desired home theater system with the lower cost if you go for assembled systems. Cost of media devices. The total cost is calculated according to the devices you have chosen for the system. Below is the average cost per device. A projector system or 4K UHD TV costs around $800 to $4,000. A good quality media source, video source costs less than $700. An HD audio device with thrilling woofers averagely costs $300 to $2,000. Additional costs. Installation charges. Amplifier and additional devices such as DVD player. Monthly or yearly subscription charges of your media source, Netflix or set-up box charges, internet charges. Maintenance. How to save. Who doesn't want to save money, right? Here are some common tips for saving your wallet. You can go for assembled systems with combined warranty, put a hold on your urges, let the seasonal sales come. If you're going for customized home theater, filter the brands, features and reviews before the selection. Utilize your system according to the user manual for its best performance and long life.